Chairman Cummings himself said during the open testimony that if Michael Cohen lied again, he would be the first to refer him to DOJ for prosecution. And I worked for Chairman Cummings. He's tough and he's